Welcome back to our new friends. Today's topic is how to customize auto screen off setting in Oppo phone, guys. You want to customize yourself, so guys you can customize. In this video, guys, I will show you how to customize auto screen off setting in Oppo phone. So first of all, guys, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, and guys now let's start video. First of all, open your phone setting. Guys, display and brightness setting, click here, scroll it. Guys, auto screen off, we will click here. So guys, now it's time to customize. Like 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes. You want to set yourself, so guys you can customize. Now guys, example for guys, we will click on 2 minutes. So it will customize. You can see guys, 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes, use auto screen will off. So I think friends, you have understood how to customize auto screen off setting in Oppo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel.